Hello and welcome back to French Made Fun. This is a new series on our channel called Vocabulary, and today we'll be beginning with professions and occupations, which is the subject of this video. If you have watched my video on indefinite and definite articles, you would know that in the French language, all nouns, whether they are living things or non living things, have a gender, and professions and occupations are no exception. Today, let's learn the words for some of the most common professions in French and see how they are different for men and women. Beginning with acteur and actrice, which is actor and actress, avocat and avocate, which means lawyer. Note that in French, anytime a word ends with a consonant, you do not pronounce that consonant. That's why we say avocat, whereas a word that ends with a vowel is pronounced fully. So we say avocat. Then comes infirmier and infirmière, which means nurse. The same rule of pronunciation applies here. You do not give emphasis to the R in infirmier, but in infirmière, you do. Then comes médecin, which means doctor. This is one of the few words which is the same for male and female. Artiste is another word which is the same for male and female. It means artist. Then comes danseur and danseuse, which means dancer. Fonctionnaire and fonctionnaire again, which means government employee. Next up, we have coiffe and coiffeuse, which means hairdresser. Cuisiner and cuisinière, which means cook. Chirurgien et chirurgienne, surgeon. Dentiste, which means dentist, is the same for male and female. Then we have psychiatre, which means psychiatrist in French. Then we have reporter, which means a reporter in French. Then we have ingénieur and ingénière, which means engineer. Juge is judge. Editor or rédacteur and éditrice and rédactrice are the male and female words for editor. Then journaliste means journalist. Professor means professor. Stagiaire means trainee. Chanteur and chanteuse means singer. Écrivain and écrivaine, other words for writer. Vendeur et vendeuse, salesperson. And architect, which is architect in French. Then we have enseignant et enseignante, which means teacher or instructor. Comédien et comédienne, which means comedian. Steward et hostess de l'air are the words for a male and a female flight attendant, respectively. Secrétaire and again secrétaire, which means secretary. Soldat means soldier. Employee, employé is a male and a female employee, respectively. Jardinier et jardinière means gardener. Boulanger, boulangère, baker. Server, serveuse, waiter or a server. Chauffeur, chauffeuse means driver or chauffeur. Instituteur, institutrice is a primary school teacher. Vedette, and again vedette, is a superstar or an icon. These are the words for the most basic professions in French, but you can keep adding to this list and enriching your vocabulary as you keep learning. Now let's go over these words once more so you're not confused about their pronunciation. Acteur et actrice, avocat, avocate, infirmier et infirmière, médecin, médecin, artiste, artiste, danseur, danseuse, fonctionnaire, fonctionnaire, coiffeur, coiffeuse, cuisinier, cuisinière, chirurgien, chirurgienne, dentiste, dentiste, psychiatre, psychiatre, reporter, reporter, ingénieur, ingénieur, juge, juge, editor, redacteur, and editrice, redactrice, journaliste, journaliste, professor, professor, stagiaire, stagiaire, chanteur, chanteuse, écrivain, écrivaine, vendeur, vendeuse, architecte, architecte, enseignant, enseignante, comédien, comédienne, steward, hostess de l'air, secrétaire, secrétaire, soldat, soldat, employé, employé, jardinier, jardinière, boulanger, boulangère, serveur, serveuse, chauffeur, chauffeuse, instituteur, institutrice, vedette, and vedette. This brings us to the end of our lesson on professions in French. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos on French vocabulary. Merci et au revoir. For those of you who are looking for one-on-one classes to learn French online, please check out our website frenchmadefun.in. You can choose between our elementary, intermediate, and advanced course depending on your level of French. These courses are comprehensive and at the same time crisp and concise. They are not only cost effective but also time saving. So they are suitable for anyone who can only spare a few hours in a week to learn French. We let you choose your own days and timings no matter what part of the world you are in so that nothing comes in the way of your learning. If interested, please reach out to us and book a free trial class by clicking right here.